Hi, I'm spoiled. I mean, hi, I'm obsessed with dolls. I mean, hi, I'm Marna. We went to the antique malls yesterday and I wanted to show you our haul. I'm going to start with the non-doll stuff first. I collect everything bicycles. My husband and I ride. In fact, we did a very short 8-mile ride yesterday while out at the antique malls. It was hot and humid and hilly. Anyway, isn't this cute? And it's really heavy. It's a little pot holder, and that's going to go in our yard. Now you tell me, dog or rabbit? And then we have a lot of depression glass. Darren collects it, and we found these candy bowls, and they had more. Believe me, I wanted every single one. $1. Can you believe that? Oh, and the bicycle, $8. I couldn't buy it fast enough. Went in this one shop and they had this ribbon. Some of this isn't even open. And it's holiday ribbons and fancy ribbons. They were like 69 cents a roll. So I bought a bunch of those. Then they had these free stuffed animals. Is that cute? I bought some clothes there for like $1.48 each. These are going to become my size Barbie clothes. I'm going to be doing a video on how to make my size Barbie clothes out of clothes you're getting rid of. These I love, love, love. You should see our front yard. We have, I don't know, maybe 10 or more bikes out there, usually vintage bicycles that are decorated, and right now they're decorated for 4th of July. These are napkin holders, and I thought, you know what? I wonder if we could put these on the handlebar and then put a zip tie on that. How cute would that be? And these were like $2 for a bag full. And if it doesn't work for that, I'll do something else. And then there's the dolls. We went to several antique malls and antique places yesterday. My husband is a gem. I will show you the crown prized possession I got yesterday and tell you a little bit more about it. But anyway, we went to all these places and they had different things. And I'll start with this one. After getting the 38-inch Barbie, and I have a video on her and how to make $1 clothes for these large Barbies. I saw this and I really wanted it. One thing about these dolls in these garage sales and antique malls, you don't have to pay what they're asking all the time. Make an offer, they might accept it. They were asking $20 for her, I offered $15 and they accepted it. Wish I had offered $10. Anyway, I think she's really cute. As you can see, I haven't even cut the price holders off these dolls yet. Thumbelina. As I understand it, she's not real easy to find, and when you do, she's very expensive. Look what a mess she is, but cute. I had one of these when I was a little girl, just like this one, only mine still had the dial. You wound these dolls up and then you laid them down and they moved around like a real baby, and you could do it on their back, but they'd be up like this because of the wind up. But anyway, $5. After my I have a video on how to fix fried hair with oil on dolls, and after doing that, not afraid of this doll. Don't know what I'm doing with her yet, but wasn't gonna leave her. Somehow, through bicycles, I got into collecting Monster High dolls. We like them out at Halloween. We put a display out. I change my dolls around. I don't have all my dolls out all the time. Anyway, we found two. I love this two-headed one. It's hilarious. It started with the Monster High, I don't even know the doll's name, on a bicycle. And I thought, oh, so cute for Halloween. Well, then we found another one, and then, you know how it is. Anyway, I thought these were cute. And then at another place, they had these two troll dolls, which I have a gob of troll dolls. I absolutely love trolls. And anyway, these they had a great deal on. We got the both for $15. And Darren had suggested we get the pair and put them out on our anniversary. So that's kind of fun. In another mall, I collect Chatty Cathy dolls. I have my own original from when I was a little girl, Chatty Cathy, and recently the collection grew. This is a reproduction. I think it's a 2008, I can't remember, but
I'm hungry. Tell me a story.
and she has on her original clothing. She's in great shape. Look at her hair. And her eyes have done what their eyes do, but even so, it's a doll I've been looking at thinking, she was marked $45. And very worth it. I mean, that's a good price on these dolls, talking and in the clothes. And I was gonna put a $25 offer in, and while I was standing there talking to the lady, she said, you know, that booth has 50% off today. Of course I'm going to get her. One more thing I wasn't going to get, but I did. I'm looking for the Charmin Chatty Golden Book. And I found these at a place that had golden books for 75% off, which made these 50 cents a piece. So I bought them. There are gobs of Barbie golden books. But I bought this one. I wasn't going to get the others, but I bought this one if I can open it with my bare paws. Because it has actual pictures of dolls. I thought that was cute instead of the cartoons. I thought it was real cute. And then there's this stuff. There happened to be a garage sale that we stopped at. And I saw this Barbie and I walked past her. I don't want Barbies. I had Barbies. I have a lot of my original Barbies. You know, collecting dolls is a slippery slope. All of a sudden you have all these little plastic people all over your house. You get into Barbies, there's going to be thousands of them. Anyway, I passed this doll. She was marked $1. I saw these. I thought maybe they were for Baby Alive. I'm going to give a look at that. And I thought, well, that's cute and that's cute. So I offered them $1 for all of it. So I got three Barbie dolls yesterday. When I say I'm spoiled, I really am. I had seen this doll, as you can tell, it's a 38-inch doll at an antique mall. And that's the reason we went yesterday, because I didn't buy it and I wanted to go back. I remembered it without clothes and without shoes, but when I got there and we looked for the doll, we couldn't find it, and I thought, well, for $10 she's sold. She's gone. But I think she was, or I remembered it wrong, or whatever. But anyway, this was not the $10 doll. Look what I found. Isn't she gorgeous? Notice that not only does she have this beautiful sequin and bead gown, she has her original necklace, her original earrings, a jeweled pin, shoes, and she's on a doll stand. She is in fantastic shape. I mean, look at her hair. Isn't that pretty somebody did that? Just fantastic shape. I'll be honest, I haven't stripped her down to look at her, but I have peeked up under. I did in the antique mall. This doll was marked $35. The outfit without the shoes is worth more than that. The doll without clothing is worth that. So I offered them $25, and immediately they accepted, and I am delighted. We will have more 38-inch doll videos coming. So we had this fantastic day, and And I got the Barbie doll I was wanting because I have all these ideas for these 38-inch dolls. And then I found the 28-inch doll and bought it. And then I found the 11.5-inch doll just because. So we go to Walmart, and my husband is really good at the claw machines. What is the name of the one we get? Sugarloaf, the Sugarloaf machine. And they had this Barbie in there. So just for fun, I said, you know what? Let's try. His first go at it, we got this little Barbie doll. So did I need her? No. Did I really want her? Well, she is cute, but isn't it hilarious that we got that? Thank you for watching our videos. Please drop us a like and a subscribe.